Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain key of 28th November 2020 dated assignment solutions. This assignment is related to the direct and inverse proportion. Let us move on to the assignment solutions. See in the first question. A group of three friends staying together consume 54 kilograms of wheat every month. Some more friends join this group and they find the same amount of wheat lasts for 18 days. How many new members were in this group? Okay, see, a group of three friends staying together consuming 54 kilograms of wheat every month. Okay, here see number of students and wheat. Number of students and wheat. For 3 students, how many days it will be enough? 54 kilograms. Okay, 3 students staying together consume 54 kilograms of wheat every month. 54 kilograms. Okay, now what happens? Some more friends join this in group. They find that the same amount of the wheat lasts for that 18 days. Okay, some more friends are joined. Means for a present how many days it is in the last for only wheat. The same amount of the wheat lasts for that 18 days only. 18 days means here given that it is 18 days, for how many students it will be get it. Okay, here see that if the number of students are increased, okay, the required wheat will be decreased in that 18 days. Wheat in the 54 kilograms and 18 kilograms, 18 days only. Okay na? So here these are in the inverse proportion. So these two quantities are said to be in the inverse proportion, then their product must be in the equal. That means here we know that x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. So that implies here this is a x1 y1 x2 y2, then 3 into 54 is equal to x into 18. That implies x is equal to 3 into 54 by 18. After 18 will be transformed into the left side. Then 18 ones, 18 threes, then 3 threes, 9. So I got that x9. So how many students joined addition to the 3 students? So x is equal to 9. Since x is equal to 9, but already we have the 3 students, so required students is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So 6 more students are joined in addition in that group. Okay, let us move on to the second one. 1200 soldiers in a fort had enough food for 28 days. After 4 days, some soldiers were transferred to that another fort, and thus food lasted now 32 more days. How many soldiers left for the fort? Here actually how many soldiers are there? 1200 soldiers in a fort had food 28 days. Okay, after 4 days, that means 4 days were completed. After 4 days means 4 days completed. So here some soldiers were transferred. So let us assume that X soldiers are transferred. The remaining soldiers must be 1200 minus X. Okay, so here another fort, and to thus food is lasted now 32 more days only. 32 more days. So coming to here, actually number of soldiers number of soldiers and days. Here getting that days. Actually how many soldiers are there? 1200 soldiers. This 1200 soldiers last that food is how many days? 28 days. Okay, so these are the 28 days. Now some soldiers, let number of soldiers transferred is equal to x. Now present soldiers are 1200 minus x. This food is enough for that how many days? 32 days. 32 days. Okay, this food is enough for that 34 days. So now coming to here, these two quantities are said to be in the inverse variation. Then we can do that 1200 into 28 is equal to 1200 minus x into 32. Now this 32 will be transformed into the left side. 1200 into 28 by 32 is equal to 1200 minus x. Okay, now cancel with 4 8s are 30, 4 7s, again 8 1s, otherwise 8 1s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 150. So 150 into 7, 150 into 7 means 700, 7 5s are 35, 7 1s are 7 plus 3, 10, 1050 is equal to 1200 minus x. Then here see that x is equal to 1200 minus 1050. So then x is equal to 150. X is equal to 150. So these 150 soldiers were transferred. So number of soldiers are transferred is equal to 150. Okay. See that, let us move on to the third one. A car can finish a certain journey in 10 hours at speed of 48 km per hour. Here time and speed given. Time and speed. By how much should its speed be increased so that it may be take only in 8 hours to cover the same distance? So first 10 hours journey completed. The journey is completed in 10 hours with speed 48 km per hour. Here see that. Journey speed and time. Speed and time. Speed 48 km per hour. The same journey can completed in 10 hours. For example, this journey can be complete in 8 hours. This journey can be complete in 8 hours. How much speed should be increased? So let speed increased is equal to x. So actual speed 48 km per hour. Now present speed is 48 plus x. 48 plus x kilometer per hour. Okay, so now the present speed is. So this is given how much time can complete? This can be complete in 8 hours. This can be complete in 8 hours. Now see here speed and time are speed is inversely proportional to time. Speed is inversely proportional to time. So from this two quantities are said to be inversely proportional to each other. x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. That's why 48 into 10 is equal to 48 plus x into 8. So 8 will be transformed into the left side. 48 into 10 by 8 is equal to 48 plus x. Okay, 8 ones are 8, 8 sixes are 48. So 10 into 6 is equal to 60 is equal to 48 plus x. This 48 will be transformed into the left side. Then x is equal to 60 minus 48. Then x is equal to 12. What is x? Here speed increased, that is kilometer per hour. So here increased speed is 12 kilometer per hour. Last one, see. 2,400 men can finish a stock of a food in 35 days. Okay, number of men, days. Number of men and days. Last one. Number of men and days. 2,400 men can finish in how many days? 35 days. Can finish in 35 days. Okay, now how many more men should join to them so that the same stock may last for 25 days. So for example, the same stock may last for 25 days. How many men will be joined? Let number of men join is equal to x. So now the present number of men 2,400 plus x, because in addition they joined. So here number of men and days are inverse variation. So two quantities are said to be inverse variation. Their product must be equal. That implies 2,400 into 35 is equal to 2,400 plus x into 25. So 25 will be transformed into the left side. 2,400 into 35 by 25 is equal to 2,400 plus x. 5 5s are 5 7s are again 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40, 480. Now multiply with 7, 7 0 0, 7 8s are 56, 5, 7 4s are 28 plus 5, 33 is equal to 2,400 plus x. Now 2,400 will be transformed into the left side. Then x is equal to 3,360 minus 2,400. That is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 minus 0 is 6 and 3. Okay, 0. 6 minus 0. 6 and 3 minus 4, 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, 960. Okay, number of men joined in addition to that group is equal to 960. Okay children, these are the 4 sums solutions. Thank you.